girl, calm down. Hi everyone, this is Shruti and you're watching Shruti Shiva. Like I just welcomed myself into the house, the same way I want to welcome you guys to at my channel and into our home. Into the Sarkari home. Right now I'm sitting at the entrance of the house. It is a place that you have to step on or you have to cross to enter the house, and if not in reality, at least to the camera, I can have all of you in here with me and we can together decorate this cute little entrance. So let's start. That's the entrance door. It opens to the garden and gives a luscious green view. Again the wardrobe video wala trick, so don't get spooked out. No Miss Rosie's here. Those who have watched the old videos would get the reference. Then on the side we have this door that opens at Abhishek's office. Okay, I was trying to hide behind the door. It obviously didn't work. Then we have another door that opens to the living area. And one more door to enter the gallery way which leads to the dining area. We have another door here too and it opens to the outside too, so we keep it closed almost all the time. और यहाँ बहुत सारे बंदर हैं तो बंद रखना पड़ता है. Lots of doors. So now that you have the idea on how this space looks like, I'm gonna bring all the furniture that I think would suit the room's vibe. We got this stool made from a local carpenter. I love that it has a curved bottom. Okay, this sounds a little naughty, didn't mean that. These chairs are Sarkari chairs, I guess. They were already here. Their wood color doesn't match with the stools, but they seem to be in a great condition. Also hanging this glorious wall piece that Abhishek's friend gifted him. He attached 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wood pieces together, hand carved it and painted the tree black. Also keeping my pottery wheel right here at the entrance. There is a power source too for it to work, and the great thing is the sun seeps in here as early as around 4 and Suleiman wakes me up and I start making more pots for him. Now that I have all the furniture that I want here, let's start decorating this shelf unit. We have this fish pala gulak. It actually has a coin inside. Look at its big wide nostrils. I got this diffuser a couple of years ago from Delhi Haat. Fun fact, it was actually made by Tihar jail inmates. I'm keeping the middle shelf simple, just 2 figurines, Buddhaji and again some books. And on the last shelf I'm keeping these 2 planters and of course some more books. Just giving this ducky a little vibe, and here you go. Coming to the other side, I'm keeping this statue at this stool. Seems like it could be used as a nice reading space. By the way, we brought this musician from Kushinagar and the bigger statue was already here. Universe wanted them to meet and live in the same house. I guess that is the reason Abhishek got transferred here out of all the other places. This टोकरी I actually stole it from the kitchen. This is my great artwork. थोड़ा टेढ़ा मेढ़ा है पर मेरा है, खुद के हाथ का बनाया हुआ, छोटा मोटा टूटा फूटा सब अच्छा लगता है. My goal is to fill many baskets like this with my pots and someday be able to make ceramics and send those out for people I love. I'm also keeping the art supplies in here so everything is at hand's reach for my next art blunder. Coming to this corner, I'm putting some plants here. Beautiful planters and plants like these change the overall aesthetic and brings calm and purity to the place. And now finally it seems like we are done. A reading space, a book holder, some plants, and tea in a kulhar which will melt right away if I fill it. So tea in regular cup. What else do you need? Pull out the weed and let the flowers grow. for today's video. Please consider subscribing, and if you want to see more pictures of these grapes, please follow me on Instagram. My mother told me कि खट्टे अंगूर की चटनी बनती है, and I'll try to make a small video for my Instagram of अंगूर की चटनी. So please follow, like this video if you like it, and share and subscribe.